Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to easily make garlic, tomato and onion powder at home. First, to make a garlic powder, take peeled and washed garlic cloves and put them into a mixer grinder to make a fine paste out of it. And after it's done, make small portions of this paste and arrange it over a plate or a thali. We will sun dry it till it's firm and hard. Now you can hear the sound, it's completely dry. Now just add it to your mixer grinder and grind it into a fine powder. See, your fine garlic powder is ready. Keep it stored airtight in a cool, dry place. To make the onion powder, cut and peel the onions. Rinse and then thinly slice them. To dehydrate the onions, we will sprinkle some salt over it. And then take a big tray or a plate, keep a mesh over it. To maintain a better circulation of air, keep a distance between the base of the plate and the mesh. Then spread the onions all over it. We will keep the onions to sun dry till they are crisp and dry. To dry your onions in an oven, simply spread them over your baking tray and heat them at 100 degrees Celsius for about 2 to 3 hours or till they are dry and crisp. Put your dry crispy onions in a mixer grinder to grind them into a fine powder like this. Keep stored airtight in a cool dry place. At last, to make the tomato powder, take tomatoes, wash them and then thinly slice them. Here too we will again sprinkle some salt over the tomato slices to dehydrate them. Take a tray or a plate, keep a mesh over it, maintain a distance between the base of the tray and the mesh for better air circulation and sun dry it till they are crisp and dry. In hot dry regions it will take you about 4 to 5 days to sun dry the tomatoes, or you can do this job in an oven. Spread the tomato slices over your baking tray and keep them at 100 degrees Celsius for about 3 to 4 hours or till they are dry and crisp. Then again grind it into a fine powder like this. Store it airtight in a cool dry place. Thanks for watching till we meet again. Bye bye.